What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a unboxing, unbagging, demo install video for you today. I got this stuff from Bike Evolution. I'm really excited about it because it's difficult for me to work on the Chimera upside down, always wondering about like whether the throttle's hitting or if, you know, doing damage to the grips. So I found this stuff from this company. It's called the Vlip. Vlip. And what it is a little set of this little device here, right? You slip these over the handlebar, slip these over the grips, and then when you flip the bike over, it gives you a little clearance that hits the ground so you're not scuffing up your bars, your grips, your throttle, your display, whatever you have. So I'm excited to try these, and I've got the Circle Jerks washer slash chain tensioners here that I'm going to put on the bike. And the cool thing about Vlip is they also have this little saddle cover, so when you flip the bike, if your seat touches the ground, it'll protect it and keep it clean, which I've had that problem. I've had my seat get dirty. It took me months to get the scuff off. And you know, obviously these are super helpful for keeping your grips and your bars and everything else that's attached to your bars safe, clean, and undamaged. So let's get right into it and see how these work and show you how to put these on. So this is really great for me. One thing I'll mention right now with my throttle, I had repositioned my throttle, specifically putting it in an awkward to reach place for my thumb, so that when I do flip the bike, it wouldn't press on the ground and engage the throttle. Because if you have this positioned in such a way, when you put this on the ground, it might slightly push the throttle. And so if you forget and leave your bike on, it will start spinning like crazy. So this is a really great thing. Now I can reposition my throttle here and tip it back this way a bit. That way it feels more comfortable and ergonomic when I actually use the bike. And that's all thanks to these little Vlip things that I can carry on me. So anytime I want to flip my bike, I can just throw these on, flip it over, keep everything nice and clean. Pretty cool. All right, let's work on these chain tensioner washers. So this is going to be fairly simple. We're just going to take off the wheel. Might even be able to do this without taking off the wheel, to be honest, because this little tensioner is right here. Let's just get these bolts off. Yeah, I think I can do it without taking the wheel off. See, this is the old tensioner, 3.5 to 4 millimeter. And what I'm doing is just extending that out by a full millimeter to compensate for any stretch that I might have in the chain. Is that? Get the new one on there. These things have a little dot on them. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try to twist it and turn it so maybe the light will hit it. The little dot is on this side, and the dot is the tighter side, and the tighter side is going to go forward like that. these on finger tight. These are really nifty. They're really cool. I wish all bikes had this because, man, it's just less crap that you have to have on. And it's so seamless and integrated nicely. Dot forward. Okay, now I'll just torque this down. Let's see. Yeah, the chain is visibly tighter. You can see. Very cool. All right. Let me just torque this down, and that's it. That's it. That's all she wrote. Perfect. That's it. Incredibly simple and easy bike Vlip grip savers, grip protectors. They're really, really, really nicely made. They click shut together like this. They snap together for you know, secure, easy storage. Throw them right inside the saddle protector and you're all set. Bike Vlip saddle protector cover. You can get them separate if you want to just use a plastic bag for the saddle cover. You know, you can get the other. You could just get the Vlips. Save yourself some money. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.